Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the go-to channel for all things natural and wonderful. I'm your name, your guide to a healthier and happier you. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about, hand hair removal, right here at home. So, if you're ready to wave goodbye to unwanted hand hair, stick around because I've got a game-changing remedy for you. In this video, I will share my top 3 all-natural homemade remedies for effectively removing unwanted hand hair and keeping your hands smooth. These solutions use common ingredients you likely already have in your pantry and are gentle enough to use regularly without drying out or irritating your skin. The first remedy is a sugar and lemon scrub. Mix 1 cup of granulated white sugar with the juice from 1 lemon in a small bowl. The acidic juice helps break down hair and dead skin cells, while the coarse grains of sugar provide exfoliating action to lift those cells away. Rub the mixture gently over damp hands in circular motions, focusing on extra hairy areas like knuckles and fingers. Let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing clean. The scrub removes hair by the roots while sloughing off dull skin for visibly smoother hands. For the turmeric and gram flour mask, blend 2 teaspoons each of turmeric powder and gram flour with 1 teaspoon milk or yogurt and a dash of honey to form a spreadable paste. Turmeric has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties to disinfect pores and soothe skin. The lactic acid in yogurt chemically exfoliates, while gram flour draws out impurities. Apply the paste evenly over hands and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes before washing off with warm water. This can be used 2 to 3 times per week for hairless hands. Finally, grated potato juice naturally bleaches hair. Grate 1 large potato and squeeze out the starchy liquid. Apply it directly to hairy areas of the hands and let sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. The enzyme catalase breaks down melanin pigment in hair over repeated use, gradually weakening it until strands fall out easily with normal washing. For best results, repeat every other day for up to 6 weeks. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to achieving hair-free, velvety hands right in the comfort of your own home. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to show off your gorgeous, hair-free hands to the world. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends who might benefit from these natural remedies. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay natural.